Hello everybody, it's Oscar, and today we're doing an unboxing of, I think, the iPhone 12. So let's see. There we go. Ta-da-da. Boom. Check this out. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. So let's see what comes in here. Easy to package. And what you guys are waiting for? Look at this. Oh my lord. Amazing. Look at this shiny, beautiful hunk of metal. Well, there's nothing much to show. I mean, there's nothing here other than the charging cable. I am coming from Android, so I have a lot of USB-C connectors, so this is perfect. That's it. I'm gonna put a screen protector on before this gets dirty, and that's it.